chairman, Gopte Institute of Technology. The Gopte Institute of Technology is being started by Karnataka Law Society at Belgavi. Karnataka Law Society was established way back in 1939. Initially, only law college was started by the advocates then, who established the institution by 7 advocates. Later on, we have diversified ourselves to commerce, science, technology, and also business management. GIT MBA department was started in 2007, and at that time, the strength, that is intake permissible by AICTE, was 60 for 2 years course, that is 120 in all. Now in 2019, the strength is increased to 120 per year, that is at present for the year 2020-21, the strength is 240 for both the years. The education that is imparted here in the MBA department is a full-time education, and we have got the best quality teachers in this institution department. I personally feel that this department is going to grow still more and serve the entire country.
KLS GIT is ranked among the top technical institutes in this part of the country and Karnataka. Founded by the eminent lawyers way back in 1939 with the high goal of creating good educational service to the society. We are proud to say that GIT is accredited by the National Board of Accreditation or the NAC accreditation, and recently we are also feathered with the NIRF ranking and CRISIL rankings. We have around 4,000 plus students in the different departments studying the engineering as well as the management, MBA courses along with the MCA also. Our MBA program is a result of our aspirations to nurture the manager equipped with the skills and knowledge and foresight and passion in navigating through this VUCA world. Thus, to know our strength and realize our potential and select an institution that evolves with the time and offers the best learning experience. Maybe it is in terms of the lush green campus, technology enabled infrastructure, or updated syllabus, creative pedagogy, or international affiliations and exposures, extraordinary placement records, and above all the sporting events and various activities for the personality development, youth festivals that we conduct. This will give definitely a joyful experience of learning. I wish you a very best of a future and welcome you all.
The departments of MBA aims to be recognized as a progressive department for business education, research, and create meaningful student engagement for learning management education. This department focuses on developing excellence through learning and to develop effective and responsible leaders by creating insightful knowledge and inspiring a student to develop managerial skills. We got A+ grade by the NAC, and moreover, Department of MBA has its own in-house research center, which not only offers a PhD program through BTU, but also undertake and conduct various research projects on contemporary and relevant issues in the area of management and technology. The institute also has an e-learning module which can be accessed over the internet. Another important point to be noticed here is how the institute infused technology in its curriculum. We have got a lot of international tie-up, international MOU. At the heart of this institute lies the need for staying abreast of industry trend and helping students achieve their true potential. Hence, in future, it is definite that the institute will introduce new courses or amend the persisting courses to match the growing demand of industry, because we go with pace with the industry.
important topics in any competitive examination, and especially with PGCET, would be a chapter on logical reasoning and analytical reasoning. Now you may ask, what is analytical reasoning, what is logical reasoning? Now anybody who is in an authority, like many of you are going to be managers of the future, you'll have to make decisions day in and day out. Are your decisions based upon reason and logic, or are they based upon whims and fancies? That's the important thing. Therefore, in a MBA entrance or any other competitive examination, what is tested is your ability to think, analyze, make complex issues into simple matters and take a decision. And this is a simulation part of it. Let's take first this Venn diagram. Look at here. Now these are Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are named after a mathematician by name Venn, and therefore this. Now here are some statements. You will have to put these statements representing any one of the diagram here. I'll do the first one, and then later you can try these things. Now they represent a situation. Take for example vegetables, potatoes and cabbage. Now which of these figures can represent them? This is a vegetable. This entire thing, the big circle, is a vegetable. Potato is one of the vegetable. Cabbage is one of the vegetable. No potato is a cabbage, no cabbage is a potato. So therefore, we represent this as a Venn or a class. This as one class, this is another class. Now, these Venn diagrams are used to logically think, and they're at the very beginning. And let me warn you, these are deceptively simple. They look like so simple, but many times they can give you a bouncer. Let's try, because I'll read out, leave a small space of time, you think, create an answer, then I'll explain to you. Take for example, table, chair and furniture. Which of these things will represent that? Yeah, you got it right. So again, this is the furniture, the big circle is a furniture. This is a table, this is a chair. No chair is a table, no table is a chair. Let us go to the next one. Week, days and year. Got it? I am sure. This now. Now this is the year. Every month, every week is a part of a year. Every day is a part of the week. Therefore this is day, this is week and this is the year. So this has been represented. Now come to a very interesting one. Judge, thief and a criminal. Which of these Venn diagram will represent a judge, a thief and a criminal? Got it? Come. This is a criminal, the big circle. There are many types of criminals. Thief is one of them. But judge is outside. So this is the judge, these are the criminals, this is the thief. Okay. Let us come to this. Elephant, bowls and animals. Not much of a guessing required? Yeah. Because this bit is an animals and the other two are. Fine. Let's come to metal, iron and chlorine. You want some time? I don't think you will. Which one? Yes, it is this. Why? This is a metal. This is iron. Iron is one type of metal, but chlorine is different. Chlorine is a halogen. It's not a metal. So this is separate. Now mammals, crows and cows. Which will be the thing? Again same. Because this is a mammal. This is a cow. Crow is a separate. Crow is not a mammal. Then women, mothers and widows. It would be Obviously it would be C. Why? This big circle is women. And here is one of them is mother, one of them is a widow. Some mothers are widows. So this intersection is some mothers are widows. Some are mothers, some are widows. Some are widows, they don't have children, therefore they are only widows. Some are mothers who are yet to get children, but this one is, and all of them are women. So we have solved this. These are some of them you must have seen. Normally in any examination you get around 2 or 3 such questions. So it's a very important one, because in a competitive examination every single mark is very, very important. Thank you. We'll go to the next one. Now let's come to one more called the series, called the numbers. In this case it's a number series. Now in a number series you look at the pattern given and try to find out there is some pattern and identify that pattern and solve. Take for example, these may look to you as some numbers 4, 16, 36, dash, 100 and 144. But if you look deep, each one of them are conforming to certain pattern. I'll show you to on the board. Look at 4, 16, 36, dash, 100 and 144. 2 can be written as 2 square. 16 can be written as 4 square. This can be written as 6 square. There is a dash. This is 10 square and this is 12 square. 12 12s are 44. 2, 4, 6. Are you getting a pattern? 2, 4, 6. 8, 10, 12. So this should have been 8 square. 8 square is 64. So the answer is D for this. Let's try the next one. 4, 25, 64, 121, 196 and next. So what again, 2 square, 5 square, 8 square, then 11 square, 121 is 11 square, 14 square, and then what next? Therefore, each is increasing by 3. Now 4, this is 2, plus 3 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 3 is 13. The next one should be 17 square. And 17 square is 17 into 17. So therefore 7 7s are 49. It should end with 9. So the answer is 289. Good. Next, let us take the third one. 0, 1, 8, 27, 64 and dash. Just see what could be the answer and what could be the pattern there. Thought of it? Now look at it. This is 0 cube. 0 into 0 into 0 is 0. 1 cube. 1 into 1 into 1 is again 1. The next one is 2 cube. 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. Third one is 3 cube. 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. Next one is 4 cube. 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64. So obviously next should be 5, 5 into 5, 25, 25 5s are 125. So the answer should be B to this. So you will now get some sort of a pattern. Identifying pattern is very, very important in this. Now look at this. What is this? Again, here it is 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. This is 3 cube, 27. This is 5 cube. Then look at this. The next one should be. This is 2, 3, 5. This has increased here. And then this should be 34. 5 cube. And then this is 7 cube. Next one should be 9 cube. 9 cube is 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9. So it should end with 9. So the only figure that is ending with 9 is this. So it is 729. So there are many like this. So let us take these 4. Okay. In this we will go into coding and decoding. Are you all familiar with coding or decoding? Yes, in fact everyone, not only you, every child who is able to speak or even to understand knows coding and decoding. After all, what is our language? Our language is nothing but a set of codes and decodes. Coding and decoding is a set of such things. Because we are able to understand a language, that means we are able to code and decode. In this session is, I'll show you the techniques of doing it, solve a few questions as a representative of this, and then leave it to you to do practice. Take this first. If MAN is written as NZM, then how GIRL will be written in this code? So let us try to find out, is there some sort of a code, and then we will go into this. So look at the board. I have written here ABCD. Are you able to see the ABCD of this? And I have also given the numbers, 26 alphabets. Now look at man, MAN. How M has become N. That means here N is pushed by one step ahead. So this has become +1, has become N. And what has happened to A? A has become Z. Therefore A has become Z. Don't make it +26. Easily we can say it is -1. So this has become -1. Then the third one, man, N has become M. Then how was it possible? M has become N. Again -1. So A has become Z. This has become M. Okay. Now use the same code pattern for GIRL. So G plus 1 is H. Then I should be -1. I -1 is H again. Then R -1 is Q. And L -1 is K. So if you take H, Q, K, it is A. So this is how you are able to do. Take the next one. Next one, in a certain language, C is coded as 0, E as 7, etc., etc. And how? 1904537 is coded. So use those, whatever is there. 1, P as 1. 9, which one 9 here? Etc. Okay, I as 9. C is coded as 0. T as 4. U as 5. Then R as 3. And what is 7? ES7. So you have the first one, PICTU, second one. B is the answer. B will be the answer. Take the another. If orange is called butter, butter is called soap, soap is called ink, ink is called honey, honey is called orange. Which is the following used for washing clothes? For washing clothes we know it is soap, but soap is called ink. So in this case, it is ink is the answer for this particular thing. Okay, that's in a certain code language, ni po tan. This is how it is. Ni po tan is written as boys are studying. Me times Sam. Me times Sam means grapes are Sam. And the third one is ISM po me. Boys eat grapes. Now from this we have to find out which of the following is for SOUR. S-O-U-R. You just can't take that here it is SOUR and therefore it is me. So it will be the thing. May or may not be. We don't know. So therefore I have to take here in this one. Eliminate grapes and are. Which word will indicate grapes, which will indicate are, will eliminate, and then we come to these things. Look at here. Grapes comes in this. Me, tam, sam, ism, po, me. So in these two there is a grapes. So which is common? Grapes is common. Similarly, me is common. Therefore, me equal to grapes. Then R has to come here. R comes here and R comes here. So here, me tam sam, ni po tam. So tam is a common. R is common. Therefore, tam equal to R. So therefore, here we come to know sam is equal to sam. In this case, it was on the same thing. Okay. So answer is none of this. Answer is D. None of this. Okay, we'll go to the next. Dom pull tank means bring hot food. Pull tor soap. Soap means food is good. Then ta soap bright boy. Which of the following does mean is in this language? Is. So we again do the same thing. Let us try to eliminate. Take this. Food is good, is there, but we don't know whether it is pull means is, TIR means is, SOP means is. Therefore, try to eliminate. Now look at, take pull, ter, sop. Good is here, good is here. So we have sop is here, sop is here, good is here, good is here. So the common thing is SOP means good. Now food is here, food is here. So Tom here the again pull, pull. So and food. So they are eliminated. So pull, P-U-L equal to food. Therefore T-I-R equal to I-S. T-I-R. The answer is D.